Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today we're going to walk through how to add a payment method to your iPhone so you can easily make purchases on the App Store.
First things first, let's open up the App Store on your iPhone. Got it open?
Great. Now, tap on your Apple account icon in the top right corner of the screen. Okay, next step, tap on your account name at the very top of the screen. After a few seconds, you should see your account settings pop up.
All right, almost there.
Now, click on Manage Payments. You should see a list of your current payment methods here, if you have any already saved. To add a new one, tap on Add Payment Method. Go ahead and choose the payment method you'd like to use, whether it's a credit card, debit card, or something else. Now, enter all the necessary details for your chosen payment method. Double-check everything to make sure it's correct. Once you've entered all the details, tap Done in the top right corner. And just like that, your new payment method will be successfully added. That's it.
Super simple, right?
I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. This is just my personal experience, and you can find relevant links in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.